Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your American Express account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your American Express account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome over here. And after opening your preferred browser, guys, on this interface at the top of the screen, you can see the search bar available for us. Click on the search bar available for us at the top of the screen and enter the address americanexpress.com like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of American Express. Now in order to proceed, click on the login button on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here, guys, which is you can see login panel of American Express. Now in order to log in, guys, first you'll be required to choose your account type. You can see over here there is the cards and banking for our normal account, and there is the membership rewards, merchant account, and American Express @work. And after choosing your account, enter your user ID and your password, which you were given by the bank or which you had registered on the American bank. And after that, enter your password, whichever may it be. And after that, guys, click on the login button over here just above the forgot user ID or use our password. And after doing that, you'll be logged into your American Express account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your American Express account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.